The Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble brings a fresh and modern update to one of Nike's most iconic silhouettes. Inspired by the original 1990s design, this version stands out with refined color blocking and updated details. Cool gray and wolf gray tones create a clean and balanced base, while mineral teal accents add energy and visual depth across the lace eyelets and visible air unit. Subtle metallic silver details enhance the overall look, making the shoe stylish enough for everyday streetwear. The upper features layered mesh and synthetic leather, offering breathability, durability, and a dynamic textured appearance. Its curved design reflects the classic human anatomy inspiration of the Air Max 95, now reimagined with a contemporary feel. The oversized Big Bubble Air unit delivers noticeable comfort and impact protection, while the solid rubber outsole improves traction and stability. Overall, the Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble Mineral Teal blends heritage, comfort, and standout style into one versatile sneaker.